All this is lava, Rocky.
When we go down below, we can walk out on the lava too. Nice trail.
Go up with the
Grandpa.
Or
Grandpa.
Hey, hi Brayden. Hi Matt. Hi Avery.
You say hi to Daddy? Hello.
Maybe.
So Daddy walked around
Yellow.
the volcano. Daddy get a picture of the hole?
This is the lava hole where this volcano erupted. As my dad just explained to me, this whole area was once one giant volcano that exploded millions and millions and millions of years ago. It's a pretty big volcano. I think it's safe to say if there was a volcano this big now that erupted, there would be no more.